Good morning, dear friends. Today's video, I will discuss the new topic that is problems on ages. So I am just expressing in the through of example. That is the first illustration is Rajiv's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. What is the present age of Rajiv? That means we want to calculate the present age. That means current year age. So how the solution will be let Rajiv's present age be X years. Rajiv's age after 15 years, that will be X plus 15 years. So if we want to back, then Rajiv's age 5 year back, it will be X minus 5. So it is given Rajiv's age after 15 year will be 5 times his age 5 years back. That means this term is 5 times this term. So it is given. But if we want to equate, that means if we want to keep both the terms equals, we have to multiply the 5 with the smallest term. Smallest term is x minus 5. So we will multiply. Instead of multiplying x plus 15 by 5, we will multiply 5 with x minus 5. So equating these terms, and after simplification I am getting x plus 15 is equal to 5x minus 25. X minus 5x is equal to this, and x is equal to 10. So present age of Rajiv is 10. This is the question. Now I will explain another illustration. The product of the ages of Ankit and Nikita is 240. If twice the age of Nikita is more than Ankit's age by 4 years, what is the Nikita's age? That means we want to calculate the Nikita's age. This is the question asked in FBI exams. So the solution will be like this. Let the Ankita's age be x years and Nikita's age will be 240 over x, because it is given the product of the age of Ankita and Nikita is 240. So the if one age is x, other will be 240 over x. Now it is given if twice the age of Nikita, that means Nikita's age is 240 over x. We are multiplying this age by 2 is more than the Ankita age by 4 years. More than means we will put here minus sign. More than 4 years from the Ankita's age. Ankita's age is x. So we are taking 2 into 240 over x minus x is equal to 4. This is mentioned in the, this is said in the question statement. So after simplification, we are getting this equation 480 minus x is equal to 4x. So it will be the quadratic equation x squared plus 4x minus 480 is equal to 0. So just we can take two factors by splitting this now. We are taking two factors like this, x plus 24 and x minus 20. We are getting x is equal to minus 24. So age can't be negative. So we are taking x is equal to 20. This is the age of Ankit. Ankita's age is 20 and Nikita's age is 240 over 20. That means 12 years. So this is the question of this one. Now another illustration. The present age of a father is 3 years, more than 3 times the age of his son. 3 year hence, the hence means after 3 years. Father's age will be 10 years, more than twice the age of the son. Find the present age of the father. So this is the question asked in the staff selection commission. So the solution will be let the son's age be x year, father's age. It is said present age of father is 3 years more than the 3 times the age of his son. That means 3 times means 3x and more means plus 3. So this is given the father's age. Now 3 year hence, after 3 years, father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of his son. 3 year hence means after 3 years, the age of the father is twice. We are not putting the twice inside of this father side. We will putting 2 in son side. 2 into x plus 3 and 10 year more, that means plus 10, because father is already bigger a's, so we are taking in smaller a's. So after simplification, we are getting 3x plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 6 plus 10. And 6 6 is cancelled, so x is equal to 10. So father says I have taken 3x plus 3, so 3 into 10 plus 3, 33. And son says will be 10 here. So this is the way how we have to attempt the sums of ages, because whenever we are talking about the age of son and father, we know that the age of father is always greater than the age of son. So if we are have to put the equal sign, equal means we have to multiply whatever the given, we have to multiply in opposite direction. That means son side, because father can't be so much greater and son can't be so much smaller. So for the equating side, we are always putting greater and addition in the son side, not in the father side. So this is the sum. So much, dear friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with other also.